This company just cut 3 managers and replaced them with one $50 per month AI agent. Productivity up 47%. Before you panic, here's what they're not telling you and why the smartest CEOs are quietly deploying AI agents right now. In the next few minutes, you'll see 3 things AI agents do better than humans, why 73% keep it secret, and a 3-step playbook. Watch this. AI analyzes Q3 sales, finds problems, makes a plan, schedules meetings, sends emails, done in 47 seconds. If that blew your mind, comment "wow" below. Another example, Sarah runs a 50-person agency. She went from 70 hours per week to 35 hours per week without losing a single client. Over 10,000 managers are using AI agents, but 90% make this huge mistake. AI agents don't replace jobs, they replace repetitive tasks, freeing you for what humans do best: creative problem solving. Let's set up your first AI agent together right now. It takes less than 2 minutes. If you think, too complex, too expensive, too risky, let's break those myths. Modern AI agents are simpler than ordering coffee online. Pick one workflow from this list and try it tomorrow. Start with email management or meeting scheduling. Share this with a colleague drowning in emails. Type "agent" in the comments for my private playbook with step-by-step setup guides. Subscribe for more AI productivity secrets, and remember, the future belongs to those who embrace AI as their co-pilot, not their replacement.